Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation, and today we are going to see the another logical program like Fibonacci series. So how we can print the Fibonacci series by using the Java program. Let's see. For that we'll move to the Eclipse, and here I will create one class and I will give the name like Fibo series. We'll use the main method, and here we need to print the Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? Let's try to understand this first. So like we have the output like 0, then 1, then 0 plus 1 1, then 1 plus 1 2, then 1 plus 2 3. So what I mean to say over here, so first of all, first number will be 0, the second number will be 1, then addition of 0 and 1, that should be 1, then addition of 1, that should be 2, then addition of 1 2, that should be 3, then addition of 2 3, that should be 5, then 8, then 13. So in this way we can print the Fibonacci series. So we need to make the program of Java program, we can say that, to print the Fibonacci series. So for that I will declare some variable. Okay, so I will just shift this upper side. So here I will declare some variable like integer number 1 equals to 0 and number 2 equals to 1. So these are the our two first number like 0 and 1. These are the two number, and let's print that number first. So let's see. So we need to print the series only. So num1 plus space, we'll give some space, and num2. So these are the two number we have printed. Now let's think about the remaining number. So this is done. Okay, we need to think about one from 1 to 30. So for example, I need to print the series. For that I will require, or I'll need a for loop. So like I will start my for loop from 0. So I equal to 0, then up to what I need to go. So, or the number of iteration I need to decide over here. So like we can say that up to 10 I need to go. So I less than equal to 10, like this, and then I plus plus. Okay, so this is for loop, and now we need to apply the actual logic. So here what I will do, I will just add these two number like number 1 and number 2. So here I will use one variable sum. So here I will use sum equal to 0, I can say. Here I will use sum equals to num1 plus num2. So sum is done. Now I will print this sum. Okay, because after addition we need to print, because we need the addition of this two, then addition of next two, then addition of next two. In this way we need to print. So here I will remove the ln, and here also I will remove the ln, otherwise it will go into the next line. So let's keep it as it is. Then after that, after for correction we will remove this thing. So here I will print sum, and after it, okay, so what is happening over here, we require this kind of output. So 0 we are getting, 0 and 1 we are getting over here, because we are printing directly num1 and num2, 0 and 1. Then this is done, we can say that. So let's give some space. Then what I need to do, I need to add this number 0 plus 1 as a 1. So I add those number num1 plus num2, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So sum is added into the sum, and sum is printed. So also I get the third number. Okay, so now I need to concentrate, or I need to look for the this two. So in here what we need to do, we need to update the values of these two number, because the number are changing every time. Okay, so how we can update the number? So for that I will update the num1 equals to, so I will give the num2 value to num1, like here num2, and I will assign the value of this sum to num2. Okay, so num2 equal to sum. So this is the thing, and now let's try to execute this. Let's see our output is correct or not. So here we can say that we are getting 0 1 and like this structure, but we don't want like this. We need the output in a single line. So we need to remove this ln from here and here too, and let's execute it again. So now we are getting, okay, we need some space also. So here I will assign some space like this, and I will execute now. So 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 8, 13, and 8 plus 13, 21. Like this, we are getting the Fibonacci series. So what the logic behind it? First of all, print first two number, then add these two number and print as a sum. Until here we have no problem. But now after that, what we need to do? We need to change the num1 as num2, then we need to change num2 as a sum, then we are able to print this output correctly. So this is all about the Fibonacci series. Thank you.